How to use the Microsoft PC Manager app to free up and improve system memory on your computer. To free up memory on your computer, install the PC Manager app, open Microsoft Store and search Microsoft PC Manager. Click the Microsoft PC Manager app on the Microsoft PC Manager app. Click the Install button. When user account control windows pop-ups, host process for Windows services, click the Yes button. When downloading and install the app, then open the PC Manager app. On the welcome page, click the Get Started button, PC Boost option section, click the Boost button. Click the Set Smart Boost option. Turn on the Smart Boost setting, toggle switch to run the memory optimization automatically. Once you complete the steps, the application will apply the necessary changes to minimize memory usage and delete temporary files.